I'm pleased to announce the one and only KoAloha Silver Anniversary concert. This is actually the first one I've actually been able to release on the store because so many of them have been pre-sold. This one is amazing. It's number 63. We're calling it, don't laugh, my wife came up with this, but it's amazing, Kardashian. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and real fast, head on over to Instagram. Find me at ukelikethepros.com. You're going to learn a lot about ukulele. We do reviews, tutorials on ukulele, baritone, and guitarlele as well. So check this out. All right, these by far one of my favorite ukuleles, well, KoAloha in general, but these silver anniversaries, they took it over the top here. Check out this premium koa wood. Oh my gosh. Are you not in love? I'm in love right away. I love this thing. I love this thing. I want to keep it. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely amazing. The sides, the way they contrast to the top, the looks, the sound, the feel, everything. That's just unbelievable. What makes the silver anniversary? Well, the wood, the premium wood. They also get the upgraded tuners, the ebony head plate as well, and then bam, right in the center there, in the middle, black label. Sorry, it is a black label, silver anniversary label with label number 63 on it. All right, let's put it to the fire test. Yeah, this thing, for sure, this passes the test. This is absolutely incredible. It's an honor to have this instrument and play. I'm so excited because all the other concert silvers I've had, they've never even made it to the store because they've been pre-sold. So I've literally got them in, check them out. So I actually have this one. It's actually going on the store. I'm so excited that you can add this because this is going to be one of your favorite ukuleles. Not only just the way it looks, because it looks stunning, just the way it plays. The sound, so warm, so crisp, so clean. KoAloha builds for the sound. So this thing's absolutely incredible. You're going to want one of these because after this year, you're not going to find them, and then you're going to wish you had a silver anniversary. So anyways, I want to do a little finger picking here in just a second, but ukelikethepros Advantage, what's the benefit of getting it through me, ukelikethepros, as opposed to your other options? Besides having them in, I just have amazing collection of these. This is one of the nicest ones you'll ever see. You get a 3 months premium membership included. That's all my courses. Every single course you can kind of be part of it, and the weekly Q&As. We currently do over 3 ukulele Q&As, 1 baritone, 1 ukulele, 1 guitarlele. Last ukulele Q&A we had 100 people show up for. So come be part of the community. If you're a premium member already, we're going to gift that to somebody else. So we'll just find someone if you have someone. If not, we'll just raffle it off. Like we'll do a giveaway or something. Who wouldn't be stoked on having that? So anyway, I'm going to throw in a hard shell case with this thing. One of my best cases that I have. You get the lifetime warranty with this thing, and you always come back to me anytime. If you need any help with anything, that's why we're here. That's why I do these videos. That's why I do the photos. That's why I spend so much time on these instruments, is for you in order to really see what you're getting with the thing. So anyway, there'll be some more information below on specs and also some of the other advantages with ukelikethepros. Let's do a little fingerstyle piece. Hold on, wait for it here. I mean, does this thing not sing? I mean, it just sings. By the way, that's a piece, number 10, Maui Breeze, from my fingerstyle mastery course. That's included as well in that premium membership. So trust me, I get so many ukuleles in. I play so many nice ukuleles. This is a winner. I mean, if you've been on the fence about a KoAloha concert, upgrade to this one. Upgrade to this one, really. Anyway, thanks for being here. And this again is a KoAloha KCM 25. This is a silver anniversary, and we're calling this one Kardashian.